Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Linn Path of Orchard Valley application. So let's dive into the video right away. Launch open your Play Store and go to the search box and type in Linn Path of Orchards and search. Look for this application from Crisscross Games and tap on the install button to download Linn on your Android phone. Wait until the application gets downloaded and installed, which will take several minutes. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the play button to launch open the app on your Android phone. So that is how you can easily download the Linn Path of Orchard application on your Android phone within a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.